Welcome back. Today we're diving into the best smart home devices for a cozy living room. Simple upgrades that boost comfort, vibe, and convenience in seconds. We post quality product videos daily to help you make smarter buying choices. So if that's your thing, hit subscribe and like to stay updated. Number 1. Era 300. The Sonos Era 300 449 pushes the company's multi-room speaker lineup forward with support for spatial audio. While the $899 ARC and the $499 Beam soundbars are compatible with Dolby Atmos, the Era 300 is the first Sonos speaker that isn't geared specifically toward home theater to adopt the standard. In addition, the Era 300 delivers room-filling sound with full-body bass and detailed highs, while Bluetooth connectivity gives you an extra option for wireless streaming you don't get with the $549 Sonos 5. Although we're disappointed that it doesn't support Google Assistant and Google Cast like some previous Sonos models, there's no denying the Era 300 is a powerhouse of a speaker and well worthy of our Editor's Choice Award. Number 2. A.Lincoln Matter Smart Light Bulb. The $16.99 AI.Lincoln Wi-Fi Matter Smart Light Bulb isn't the first Matter-enabled bulb we've tested, but it's the first Matter bulb we've seen with built-in Wi-Fi, making it easy to connect directly to your home network and pair it with the Alexa, Google, HomeKit, and SmartThings home automation systems. In addition, it offers well-saturated colors, voice control support, and many third-party smart home device integration opportunities. We wish it were a bit brighter, but it still delivers more than enough to earn our Editor's Choice Award for smart light bulbs. If you're looking for a smart LED bulb that can do it all, look no further than the AI.Lincoln Matter Smart Light Bulb. It's not quite as bright as the Roku bulb and some other similarly priced competitors, but it offers a lot more integration potential. Number 3. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. With the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, you get a versatile smart home thermostat that also serves as an Alexa voice assistant, an air quality monitor, and a home security device. It installs easily, performed well in testing, and nicely accents any room with its sleek design. Moreover, it comes with a remote room sensor and works with the Google Assistant, HomeKit, IFTTT, and SmartThings platforms. For $249, we also like the Nest Learning Thermostat, which is a good alternative if you use other Nest devices, but it doesn't function as a smart speaker or monitor air quality like the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, earning it our Editor's Choice. If you don't want to spend quite so much, the $73.99 Wise Thermostat doesn't support HomeKit or IFTTT, but is still a highly capable alternative. Number 4. Google Nest Audio. While most other smart speakers are iterating quickly, the Google Home is finally seeing a replacement after 3 years. The $99.99 Nest Audio takes the middle spot between the $49 Nest Mini and the $299 Google Home Max. For a third of the price of the booming Home Max, the Nest Audio offers crisp, clean, room-filling sound that easily eclipses the Nest Mini. Something. The Google Nest Audio is bigger, louder, and better across the board than the Google Home. It still isn't a bass-filled powerhouse, but it offers detailed, room-filling sound with a strong balance that delivers enough presence across the frequency range to keep music full and exciting. If you want more power, the Google Home Max gets much louder and offers major bass for 3 times the price. And if you simply want Google Assistant in every room of your home, the Nest Mini is just $50. Number 5. Amazon Echo Max. After 11 years and 4 generations as the flagship of Amazon's Echo speaker family, and arguably the first major smart speaker ever, the standard Amazon Echo has been retired. Taking its place is the new Amazon Echo Max, a $99.99 Alexa-powered speaker that fits perfectly between the smaller, more affordable $49.99 Echo Dot, and the high-end $219.99 Echo Studio. Essentially, the fifth-generation Echo in everything but name, the Echo Dot Max delivers impressive sound for its size, robust connectivity and smart home integration, and full access to the Alexa Plus AI assistant. Just like its predecessor, the fourth-generation Echo, the Echo Dot Max earns our Editor's Choice Award as the best all-around smart speaker.